thermal switch.
I just flip the switch.
And a thermostat from Nishimoto. There's an O-ring already. So I took off the old fan switch already. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Oh, I don't even know if it fits. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it fits snug. And I cleaned off the surface too. You gotta clean it off because there's coolant residue on it that's like so old. So that's it so far. So for the thermostat, there's two 10mm bolts that you gotta take off, which was a bitch. You see it right there. At first though, you gotta drain the coolant. There's a butterfly
my knob, like corn on the cob.
Down there, which you gotta drain the coolant from. Took the hose out already. That's the old thermostat. You gotta take out and put in this one. Should be a direct fit. Make sure you clean off around the housing for any dirt or any debris. Okay, to install it, there's two nipples on each side over here. If you see it on the rubber piece, you have to line it up with those two notches, and the middle one is gonna be this piece. Alright, next up is putting on the new switch to the housing and then install the housing back. So there. Here's the update. Everything's back on. Just gotta get coolant tomorrow.
One eternity later.
Fan kicks in. It works. Wait, this turned off.
Clean the coolant system, making sure all the air bubbles get out of the system with the new thermostat and everything. Yeah, as soon as it comes up, it's popping out, it's getting all the air out, evacuating the air out.
Also, Gantz is doing a JDM Integra DC2 project.
Yeah, it's a DC2 Type R, front clip.
It's gonna be in my videos, YouTube videos, so you guys better watch out.
Maybe this year we'll do a J series.
J's on my feet. J's on my feet. So get like me.
In that bad boy. Forget the K. It's about the J series this year.
Getting J's.